So this post got almost 4,000 comments and over 100,000 impressions. This post got 500 comments and 16,000 impressions. This post got 2,000 and over 100,000 impressions. This got 417,000 and this got over 500 comments and 300 likes. So what do these posts all have in common? First, they're all lead magnet posts. So basically I share something for free, something really valuable, and I ask people to comment a keyword and I'll send them the link. 2, they all have an engaging visual. This one is a GIF, this one is a video, a GIF, a GIF. And the third thing is that I did not reply to comments manually. And this might surprise you. I've been using a really cool tool that helped save me like hundreds and hundreds of hours to reply to these comments. And I remember the times when I had to reply to every comment manually. Literally, I was sitting there hitting here's the link, send, here's the link, send, here's the link, send. For hours and hours. My account would get blocked. I would need to wait a few hours. Then I would log back in. Then I would continue replying to comments until like 1 a.m. at night. And it's just not a good use of anyone's time. Whenever there's a task where you're copy-pasting links or doing something where your expertise is not needed, your knowledge is not needed, you should look for a tool, and this is a tool that I found for this task, which is amazing. And I'm going to show you how to set up an automation like this. Someone comments and then you reply to them and send them a DM. I'm going to show you how to set it up for my next lead magnet in LeadShark. So this is LeadShark. I'll share a promo code with you as well so you can get started. You can see that this tool has sent 1,175 comments in the past 14 days, 1,300 replies to comments, 900 DMs, and accepted 600 connection requests, which is absolutely insane for 2 weeks. You can see some stats here, your analytics, and basically how you would set up a new automation is you would go to automations, then select either a post that you have already posted, right? You see, okay, it's getting comments, it's spreading, I should maybe automate this for the next replies, or you can automate the next post. So for example, if I know tomorrow I'm going to post a lead magnet, the next post will be a lead magnet, I can just automate the next post so that I don't have to do it after it's posted. Let's imagine I'm going on vacation, okay? So let's say I want to automate the next post. It's going to be an 8-email sequence that you can use whenever you have sent someone a lead magnet, you got their email, and you want to nurture this audience. In case you're selling something, it might be a good idea to send a follow-up like email, an automated sequence. So this is how it would work, and I want to basically share this page whenever someone comments on a post. So name your template, email sequence, link to the post URL will be set automatically, comment the keyword, let's say email. So this is a keyword I want people to comment underneath the post, so I'm going to be like comment email to get the freebie. DM template to be sent, hey, first name, automatically will be set. Here's your email sequences template. This is the link. Enjoy, Maria. So reply templates. Whenever someone commented email and you've sent them the link, then this tool actually also sends this person that commented email send. So let's do, okay, you can have some options. Send, you got it, check your inbox. And then if someone is not connected to you, you cannot send them this resource via DM. So you're gonna let them know, like, please connect with me. And they will connect with you, and then the tool will automatically recognize that they have connected and it will send them the resource. This also used to take so much time. I have to tell you, like, whenever someone is not connected to you and you want to send them something, you need to ask them to connect with you, then wait until they have connected with you, kind of manually check, go through your thousands of comments, check if they have connected with you, then send them the link, and then comment on underneath the comment again. So I'm so happy we have a tool for this now. Then what you can also do is enable follow-up DM. So in a few hours or a few minutes, you can ask them, how did you find the resource, or did anything work out, like with the access? So yeah, you can set up a follow-up DM, which is really cool. It's a new feature. And you can also save it as a template. So for example, if you want to always send people the same, like sent, you got it, check your inbox, please connect with me, you can just save it as a template. For example, you can see here, I have a few templates here from last posts. Save as template, and now it will be saved for the next time I want to use it. And now I can just hit this button, apply to next post, and then it will be applied to the next post basically, and I'll find it in my automations. Next post automation is live, and this will go out tomorrow now. So this is how it will work, and hopefully this post performs really well. But as you can see, like there are so many posts, I got so many comments and DMs that work really well, and I didn't have to spend hours and hours replying to comments. I had a chat with the LeadShark founder and told him I want to make a video about the tool because it really changed, you know, my whole LinkedIn growth and LinkedIn game. And he was kind enough to give you 25% off for the first 3 months. So if you comment 25, I will send you this code and you can start using LeadShark and setting up your first automations. Enjoy!